வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hi, I am Sam. Today's topic is physical reference. What is this? In India, the brand is Reynolds. Product is board marker. It is about package or print or product. Stay here for more videos and more details. Join to our ESCO community. See you later. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Hari Kumar. What is this? Any idea? You will guess this brand name. Reynolds. This product name. Marker. Is it about package or product or printing? Stay tuned for more interesting details. Join to our ESCO community. See you soon. Thank you.
Hi friends, today topic is physical reference. What is this? Any ideas? Brand is Reynolds. Product is board white marker. It is about package or product or printing. Stay here, more details. Join to ESCO community. Thank you friends.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavana. Any idea for today's topic? What is this? Is it Reynolds marker? No, it is a packaging item. If you want more details, please go into discuss in future videos. Thank you.